Hello everyone, to my old subscribers to my YouTube channel. Thanks for subscribing me and supporting my YouTube channel. And shout out to all my friends in other countries, in Europe, US, Jakarta, Indonesia, South Korea, for watching my videos and my new upload videos. Gimmicks, vape, including disposable pads. I've already unboxed this for checking to see if there's an effect or not. So I have to unbox this to review and for demo. This is a device rechargeable. The name J-Mix. Disposable pads. Fits perfect. Lychee menthol flavor with a 12,000 puffs. So this is 10 milligram, 10 mg pre-base nicotine. This is a one set. So let's check it out. Similar to grapes flavor, but this is very mild than grapes. The taste is perfect and very cold menthol. So this is a battery. This is a battery indicator and USB Type C. So please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.